Hi Cancer, it's your girl Dominique with Empathic Guidance, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. Now today I'm bringing back a series from last month by popular demand, and that is The Lies They Tell and the Secrets They Keep. You guys really love that. I don't know how much views your zodiac got, but it was high views on a lot of the zodiac. So I'm bringing it back for you guys for April 2020 for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Look, y'all energy already kind of anxious. Like, I don't know if y'all been waiting for this. Like, okay, I see everybody else uploading. When are they gonna get on water? So I did Scorpio first. Normally I do Cancer first, so maybe that's why y'all anxious, because y'all see Scorpio's uploaded first, but I got y'all right after. Okay, all right guys, so let's just relax, take a deep breath. Okay guys, while I continue to acclimate the cards to your energy, go ahead and take this time to subscribe to the tribe. Ring that bell so you can be notified every single time I post another video or go live. Give this video a big fat thumbs up and leave your thoughts and opinions down below. Also, I would like to just say as a disclaimer that energy and time are fluid, okay? So that means that you guys can be, this could be past energy for you guys. You can be right in the thick of this situation as we speak, or this can be talking future tense for you. Either way, it's meant to provide you with some clarity that you wouldn't have had otherwise. Also, when it comes down to the energy, of course, I am going to refer to the most prominent energy that comes up in a reading as yours, since it is your reading, and essentially I want to make you the star of the show. But if it's the cross watchers energy, which cross watchers are definitely welcome, hi cross watcher, then go ahead and just switch those energies around. I know y'all still gonna comment down below like it's not me, switch it, but that's why I try to give you guys a disclaimer, because I know, but you know, it just makes more sense to make the stronger energy that actual zodiac is about. Okay, so let's just go ahead and dive right into you all's reading. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of April 2020, Spirit. Is there any surrounding energies in Cancer's life that has hidden motives, hidden agendas, secrets, or lies that they are telling or keeping? And the surrounding energy of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, Spirit, for the month of April 2020. Okay, now the cards don't want to speak. Maybe y'all nervous to hear what's going to be said today. Okay, the first card out. First two cards out. Strange love. Love is strange. Back off. Okay. Okay, so I do not know if there is, wow, I'm getting right away, narcissistic empath, because it seems like you're opposite to somebody, but you really, really do love them. But there is a big part on the inside of you that's literally telling you that you need to back off and take a break away from this person or cut this person out of your life. As you can see, the, what would that be called? Loch Ness Monster? I don't freaking know. But he looking all extra happy, and she like, I know I'm not supposed to be with this person, but you love them. You know, so it could be something that's totally unconventional. Maybe you and this person is of different ethnicity, background, religious beliefs. Whatever the case is, there's a sense of you guys really being opposite, and maybe not in the best way, okay? What I am really getting, especially from this, is that one of you definitely has more control over the situation. There's a sense of uncertainty. One of you is very sure about this connection, and the other one is feeling as though they need to back off. The signs are already with you, which is just confirming the fact that you already feel this for yourself, and you've been ignoring it. You miss someone. And in this case, I feel like the relationship is still together. So I feel like this is speaking to how you would feel. You hanging on to something that's really no longer there. Okay? This thing has transitioned, turned to bones and Nexus dust. Okay? So if you don't let go of something, some dead weight is taking up space in your life here. All right? And basically the snow angel is letting you know you already knew that. Okay, Cancer? So whatever this is, you have definitely been feeling intuitively. Dang, we got two of the same thing. Death in the Maiden and Shallow Grave. Yo, Lord, you need to put something to rest, Cancer. It's dead, dead. Invasion, boundaries violated, and dominance. I already was getting dominance. Even though this Loch Ness monster look all big and cuddly, I can't help but to, where's your other hand at? Like, I don't know. It seems like a sense of control, puppet mastery almost even. But it's just kind of like one person knows, okay, this is not right, but I feel like I either got to do what this person is telling me to do, or I love them, so I do what they say. I don't want to let them go, no matter how dead or how spiritually deprived this person is, or even how much they drain me. I can't believe this is at the bottom of the deck, guys. This is like the same card twice. And underneath this, you wouldn't believe it, but it's somebody standing next to another skeleton. Somebody in your immediate space is literally an energy vampire. They could be sucking you dry to bones, literally. Why is Voodoo and Blue back off here for Cancer? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of April 2020, Spirit. For the lies they tell and the secrets they keep. Why is the Voodoo and Blue here? Oh yeah. Alright, so something is telling you you need to break up or get a divorce here. That something does not hold a long-term future. In fact, it could already be over, but you just sit and dwelling into something that's really, literally already been expired. Voodoo and Blue, back off, Spirit. For Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of April 2020. Dead, 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 dead. I mean, it's dead. It's dead. And it's so crazy that once again, something that's so similar is there's butterflies here. So I feel like essentially you stunting your own growth by staying in a situation that you feel no longer serves you, that you already know, like, okay, this is over with. But, you know, you don't want to miss this person. You don't want to have to deal with the pain and the grief of a breakup. So I feel like you just stand in it. You need time alone for yourself to see more clearly. Because right now, it's like you see it, but you turn in a blind eye to something being dead, over, transitioned. You know, there's a sense, maybe you and this person have children together. Maybe you currently pregnant by this person. But there's a sense of you manifesting this. You could be dealing with a Libra, a Gemini, a Virgo, Scorpio. Why is Strange Valentine here, Spirit, for Cancer? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, Spirit. Yeah. You already feel defeated in this situation. It's like you've been waiting for something to change, trying to manifest the change or fortune in this situation, avoiding walking away because there's a sense of some type of abandonment issues, or wanting to hold on to things out of, oh, we've been together so long, or I don't know how I would feel without this person at this time. But you already feel defeated. You at the end, you on your last fight here. Why is the Snow Angel here? The signs are already with you, Spirit. For Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of April 2020. The signs are already with you. Okay, it's a time for you to really be alone. Take on the world by yourself. Close this chapter. You're a very loving individual. Very empathic, very intuitive, very nurturing. And I feel like this situation hasn't served you in the same way. You guys haven't been on the same page. This person isn't committing. There's a lot of fighting. So there are the signs that's there. You're loving and they try to fight you on it. Like they don't want you to get too comfortable. Put it like that. And the reason why is if you get too comfortable, you're going to be expecting more. Like marriage, which this person is unwilling to do right now. Okay, Shallow Grave. Why is Shallow Grave here for Cancer? So these cards hop, hop, hoppity hop. Let me hit a little shuffle again. Why is Shallow Grave here? You met someone. Why is shallow grave here, Spirit? You miss someone for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising is Venus. Yes, oh my gosh. You miss the way things used to be at the beginning. Now, I feel like at this time you may have a new option that's here and you still hanging on to this person. Maybe you taking a liking or you get along with somebody that you wouldn't mind exploring things deeper with, but you have to cut out something that's no longer moving forward first. Yeah, you having the opportunity to communicate, make a move, put some action to a situation, get out of something, but I feel like you're resisting this transformation at this time. And I feel like you've reached a resolution within yourself because you see all the signs. I feel like the reason why you are resisting this change is out of not wanting to hurt the person that you're with, because you know that they're content. No matter how spiritually they deplete you, emotionally, mentally they deplete you, they're still happy. You're the one that's looking like, yeah. I feel like you're definitely not sharing this information with your partner here. And I feel like they don't even know you feel like this. Like they just happily basking in this situation how it is because they feel like they getting things their way. They don't have to commit to a situation. Whenever the subject comes up, they start a fight. You know, perhaps this person has somebody else to choose or new love is trying to come in for you. But, you know, the way your morals are set up, you have to essentially cut something out first. Why is the death card here for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? This, did I say already, this person can be Libra, Taurus, Gemini, all of the fixed signs, Aquarius, Libra, Taurus, Scorpio. I got Gemini twice. I got Taurus twice. Why is the death card here? Wow, okay. Something that's dead, you're not letting it die. The reason is because you once seen this as wish fulfillment, or because it still is wish fulfillment to your person and you don't know how to tell them, look, it used to be to me too, but I don't feel that way anymore. Yeah, you feel blocked. You feel like your manifestations are being blocked because you're in a lower energy or because you're not very confident. So manifestations are not coming into fruition. You've been waiting for change. You've been being positive. You've been meditating. You've been doing the inner work. You spread love and light to others. You know? Now it's like you have to be committed to it. Because you see that something isn't going to go the distance here. Why is the World card here? You see that something is at a looming end at this point. With the World card. Why is the Queen of Cups here? Yeah. You loving yourself. You are really exuding self-love at this time. Yes, and you're happy about it. So with making this decision to move forward here, and I feel like you're moving forward quickly, but this is a long time coming. So once you come to a decision, then you make a move quickly, okay? You don't hesitate to move out of the house from this person and embark on a new journey. And this new journey could just be a new job, a new place, you know, but it very well can be a new friend that is interested in offering you something solid in the long run. Why is the Page of Pentacles here, Spirit? So we can find out who that is. Yeah, it's definitely somebody you want to take a leap of faith with here. They could be a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. And now that you're not in a relationship, you can feel free to be public with this person. You don't feel like you have to hold back or not publicly display your affection, not avoid posting pictures and stuff because you have somebody that you either in a relationship with or you broken up from, but y'all still acting like y'all in a relationship instead of you telling this person, okay, I actually want to move forward now. Why is the Hermit here? I actually want to be alone now. Yeah. So it's you that's coming up as the false person here. So that's why the signs are already with you, because essentially, like I said, yeah, the two of you are very much aware that y'all on different pages. Somebody here wants a commitment, the other person doesn't. Somebody maybe wants kids, the other person does not. Why is the Empress here? Okay. There can even be a sense of the newer person being pregnant. That could be what's being hidden. This new person can be a Libra or a Taurus. Or a Libra or a Taurus got another person pregnant. And that person can be a Virgo. Your person could be the Libra or the Taurus. And if so, then their person is a Virgo. And this was you on your last leg. So now you want a divorce. You moving out abruptly. You feel as though time is up. Okay? I've given this situation enough time to change, grow. I've stunted my own growth trying to continue, but now I'm making a choice to walk away at this point. I'm no longer avoiding this decision. Why is the Hierophant here in reverse? You're doing the right thing. Some of you are married. A divorce is the right thing. Why is the Five of Wands here? Yes. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it is a family involved. I feel like it's a lot of people here that's disappointed. But this is going to be beneficial to everybody because it was a lot of conflict even between the families. Maybe the family was getting involved in the conflict. Maybe one of you was feeling double teamed on. Okay, why is the Knight of Pentacles here? Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles here is here in reverse. Your person did have somebody else. That's the reason why they stopped moving towards you. But now what it seems is that you actually have someone else too. Yep. Both of you do. You're no longer confused about what you want to do because you also found a new love, Cancer, okay? So this person moved on to somebody else and now you are being given a chance too. But it's up to you to choose whether you are going to continue to embark on a relationship with somebody that kind of left you hanging or left you out in the cold, or if you're actually going to let this new love in. All right, so we're going to pull a few more cards of advice from the Sacred Destiny deck by Denise Lynn. Okay, Spirit, is there any additional advice you want to give the astrological sign of Cancer? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of April 2020 for the lies they tell and the secrets they keep. Leadership. Yes, it's time for you to take leadership over your own life. And here's the thing. We got forgiveness as the second card out, Cancer. So in order for you to have this inner peace with all of this vibrant color and newness, you definitely are going to have to reach deep down within your emotions and actually offer forgiveness to this person. Take control of your life again. I feel like this person has had way too much control over your life and the way things play out. So it's time for you to take leadership, forgive, and move forward. I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you did, please subscribe to the tribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Leave your comments and opinions down below. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.